This is a quick tutorial on using the interactive online program guide to find the right partnership cost share opportunity for your farm. Imagine you were a vegetable grower and that you would like to develop some value-added products, like maybe salsa or chutney, to sell in your roadside stand. Using the guided search, let's see if there's a project category that fits this objective. You'll start by clicking the Producer button. Then click on Crops and Horticulture. You've got 7 different options on this next screen. Everything from enhancing plant health to expanding your markets. Since you're hoping to develop value-added products, the most suitable option is growing your business. Here are the specific project categories that you can apply for. You know that you'll need to develop recipes, labels, and packaging. This one, called Develop New Products or Processes, sounds like it's for these very activities. Click on the project category to see all the details that you need to review before applying for cost share funding. Pay special attention to these areas. You've reviewed all of the information and think your project fits this category. What's next? Download the program guide to learn about all the program requirements. Once you have read the information in the program guide, you are ready to apply. You can also find funding opportunities using the quick search method. We're back on the online program guide homepage. Now let's suppose you are a livestock producer. You're interested in replacing barn surfaces to allow better cleaning and disinfection. This will improve biosecurity protocols and prevent the introduction and spread of disease on your farm. Enter some keywords in the search bar, like disease and disinfection. Now click Search. This brings up all of the possible project categories that relate to those words. Scroll through your search results until you find a title that best matches your project idea. Here is one called Establishing Cleaning and Disinfecting Practices. Let's see if it's a good fit. Review all of the project category information and read the program requirements to make sure it is a good fit for your project. If so, you can begin the application process. For more help with the online program guide, contact the Agricultural Information Contact Center at 1-877-424-1300.